Adhesive sheets are a great thing to have in the craft room, and they're very helpful, but they're not all created equal. I have Sizzix permanent adhesive sheets here, as well as sticky grid. Sticky grid is the first one I'm showing here. You can see the grid on it. It's kind of like a post-it note on both sides. It's a great product for holding things in place while you ink them, or holding a die in place while you die cut it, or several dies in place so that you get positioning exactly perfect and you don't have to tape things down. Whereas permanent adhesive sheets are intended to go on cardstock and then, say, die cut, so you could use it as a sticker. Permanent adhesive sheets are a one-time thing, but the sticky grid sheets, I can keep putting those backings right back over top of them and use them over and over again until they lose the stick that they do have. The permanent adhesive sheets, I like to put it on cardstock and then die cut. Here I'm choosing a very simple shape. Often I'll do sentiments, because that's where it's really convenient to have a sticky back to it already rather than needing to use some glue. But then you can adhere it onto your card, onto your project, and have it be a permanent adhesive. This one is temporary at the beginning. It's easy to peel up at the beginning, but it becomes more permanent over time in my experience when I've been using it.